Let's talk about a very common thing used in shell scripting. That's going to be printing to the screen, okay? We can use that doing echo or print. So we have the echo command, and all the parameters to the echo command are printed to the screen. So for example, we could do echo hello world, and it's going to print that to the screen. You can also add echo to your shell scripts. So we could echo memory information, free-m, and echo disk information, and df-h, and it's going to echo this exactly. Oops. It's going to echo these words exactly, then it'll run free-m, and then it's going to echo these words exactly, and then it'll run the df-h command. Okay, and I can even show you that to you real quick. So let's just do a vim, and let's say system info.sh. I'll write this script up real quick. So I'm going to do echo memory info, and then do a free-m command. Oops. Free-m echo disk info and a df-h. Okay. Alright, we'll do a right quit. We gotta make that executable. System info. And let's go ahead and run it. There you go. So it ran the echo, which is memory info. Then it ran that free-m command here. And then it ran the echo disk info, and it ran that df-h. Okay? It's as simple as that. So all echo is doing is displaying exactly what you tell it to as a standard output to the screen. That's all. Echo hello world. Okay? And print can do the same thing. Hello world. Assuming you have the right stuff downloaded. There we go. Okay. Printf. Printf. So printf is going to be used in Corn shell. So as you can see, it doesn't really play nice here in Bash shell. Let's head back to our PowerPoint. So here we are, the printf command. So you can also use the printf command as follows. So we can do printf hello world. Notice it had that \n in it, and that's why it didn't look right on my system. So printf. So I do it like this without that \n, and it's a little off, right? Okay, if I run it again with that \n, that looks much better, right? So what that's doing is it's adding, or it's getting rid of the extra line on there. So it's ending that line. So when I do it here, you see it sends it and gets rid of the end line here. When I do it with this, it's formatting it nicely. Okay. Same thing can be done in a script. We can do print memory information \n free-m print disk information \n df-h, and it's going to do exactly what it just did with the echo command. Okay. So how do we accept input with K-shell? So we want to use the read option here. Okay. So if you guys remember how to get to K-shell, do a clear here. We just type in KSH. Now we're in K-shell. I can do echo. Please enter your name. It says please enter your name, and do a read name. I say Kevin. And I'm going to do an echo variable name, Kevin. Okay. So what is this doing? Well, the echo is not doing a whole lot here, right? It's just echoing please enter your name. What the read command's doing is it's going to read the input from the user, which is me, and store it in whatever you specify here. Whatever you specify here is going to be the variable name. Okay, in this case we put it name. So when we echoed the variable name, it took my input of Kevin, stored it in name, and so when we echoed name, the variable name, it outputted Kevin, right? Simple as that. So the read command can be very effective when you're writing scripts. So here we see it on bash. So let me actually exit out of bash. So remember to exit out of corn shell. You just hit exit. We'll go back to our PowerPoint. So if you would like to ask the user for input, then we use a command called read, just like corn shell. And we see a little script down here. Echo, who am I talking to? Read var name. Echo, it's nice to meet you, var name. Okay. I have a very similar script on my machine. And it is called name.sh. Okay, I'm going to clear my screen real quick. So I'm going to run that script. Basically, it's just asking for my name, and then, actually, let me show you the script first. So you see here, it's just going to echo, enter your name, then it's going to use that read command name, so it's storing whatever you enter in that name variable, and then we're just going to echo the name variable. Okay, so let's run that script. Boom, enter your name, Kevin. Hi, Kevin. That's it, simple as that. Notice it works a little bit nicer in a script because it actually looks like it's interactive with the user, right? We echoed enter your name, and then it ran the read command, and then it ran the echo command one by one. So it looks much nicer when we actually run it in a script. So very useful, the read command.